Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Alright, get the bag off. Alright, this is from VIPCrossStitch, and it'll be in two parts. Part 2 will be next Monday. I'll be right back, and we'll see what we have for this week. Right, I am back, and we'll start with the first one. Get out of this bag. It has a great big key here. It is an 11 count. And if I can get this undone here, it's a 60 by 40. And I'll put the picture here. That way you get to see what it really looks like, because there's a little teeny tiny picture here. Yeah, look at all those beautiful, beautiful flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? Very nice and big, very easy to see. You can see all of the symbols. It does have 40 colors. It has no 310. It does have some 550 purple, 823, which is a dark blue, no 939. It does have some 3371 and 3865. And this one was $13.20. Yeah, I think this is going to be good. Has the product number, how big it is here. And then at the bottom, it tells you that it's 203 squares by 147 squares. It looks a little confettied in spots, and then there's other spots that are just kind of rivers of color. I'll be able to tell that more, you know, when I look at the canvas. It does come with a page on how to start, how to finish, how to do certain stitches. And it does come with a toolkit with the puppy dogs. I don't know that you can see that or not. I'll try. It has 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. Put that back up there, and let's look at these beautiful colors. And it does have the product number on this bag that matches the canvas and the paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the symbols on the canvas. See what we have in here. Put that up there. We have a hank of I'm losing my voice. 318, which is kind of a gray. This is full coverage, so there's a lot of threads. Trying to get it unwound here. You shake it a bit. Lots of blues. Kind of this like a periwinkle blue. A little bit of brown. Here's your 3865. This is kind of a blue-green, but it's more on the green side. Does that make sense? Trying to get them all undone and separated there. Beautiful, beautiful colors. You have golds and blues. There's your 550 purple. Kind of olive greens. There's your 823. So there's not too much of it. Mostly shades of brown and grays and olive. I can think what I was, and blues. In all different shades of blues, from teal to light blue to dark blue to a cerulean blue. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. And I'm glad this is an 11 count. Put that up there. let's take a look at the canvas. We're going to cut these little fringes off here before we go very far. It is serged all the way around. It's kind of long and skinny. I kind of like that. This is a nice size. This says 60 by 40. Oh, I'm sorry. This one was 1305. 1305. This is a 60 by 40 with the cockatiels. I have birds and flowers for everything here. Now the stitching is into the numbers, but you have your paper key, you know, if you need to know what DMC number, but it doesn't interfere with the symbols. It's nice and big and easy to see. Product number and how big it is up here. It's 233 by 147. It says it at the bottom, just like on the paper pattern. I want to look at something. 60 by 40. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought it was 60 by 45. So let's just see if it's anywhere near close to that. Total canvas is 61 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Actual picture size is 13 1/4 or 33 1/2. $54 1/2 or 21 1/2 inches. So yeah, there's some confetti here and there, but you do have big areas of color. You know, you can just see the rivers. And then, you know, when it gets into kind of detail-y, you know, you'll have your splotches of confetti. So, yeah, very nicely printed. Very easy to see all the symbols. That's what I love about 11 count, you know. It's just so easy to see. I love that. All right. And the next one, let me get this out. It has the product number on the bag again. That's on it's on the thread bag. And this one, it is right here. So everything gets sealed together. Now this one is a 40 by 40, and it was $9.65. Let me turn this over. I will put a picture here. That way you can see it. There are, oh gosh, at least 10 different yin and yang types. It's like, if you go to this on the website, yeah, you have 8 to 12 different other choices, at least. And they're all different types of yin and yang. And I picked this one out with the white dragon and the, I guess it's a white and gray with some pink thrown in. Very nice pattern. Not, I mean, it's big enough to see, but it's not huge, ginormous, you know. It has 40 colors, has 310 black, 550 purple, 823, which is the dark blue. Does have some dark blue, 939, no, 3371, and it does have 3865. So yeah, there's going to be some confetti in this one, but you have those rivers running through. Number 4 is 310 black, of course. So yeah, this will be interesting to stitch. And I'm glad it's not very big. I hope, you know, all the detail comes out. So, just like the other one, here's how many squares per square. It's 147 by 147. Product number and how big it is. So very nicely printed. Very easy to see. Very nice. Like that. It also comes with instruction page, just like the last one did. So that's nice for people that have never done this before. Okay, let's take a look at the colors. We have a tiger, and this has, oh, there it is. I'm like, what do you mean there's no needle threader? You know, because I've only got 500 of those now. Has 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. And we got the tiger this time. Haven't gotten that before. Very nice. Let's take a look at the threads. There's that sticker that I was telling you about. Tells you how big it is. And showing that these threads match the canvas. Paper pattern in this will match the canvas again. Pull this out. Oh yeah, we have a couple hanks. I'm sure it's 310 black. We have an extra piece of plastic. Okay. So, 310 and 310. 2 skeins. So that's 40 and 40 is 80. So 80 strands of 310 black. Let me shake this down. Trying to get to the little one first. So 3865 and 3866. This has a little tan in it. But yeah, and a little mocha over here. And then we'll look at these. Got some vivid pinks and purples. What kind of a, what is that word? I want to say mulberry, but that's not right. I don't know. You know what I mean. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. And some reds. Hot pinks. Dark, dark reds. We have some light pink. It's all tied up. There we go. You even have coral. And gold. There's your dark blues. Just beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. And they are just going to pop with that black as the background. Whoops. Put that in there. Yeah, they have dragons. They have birds. They have like 2 different sceneries, like spring and fall, or you know what I mean. And what else? Just all different kinds of animals. There's even a bee. Yeah, so lots of choices to be made. I've never seen these, you know, at other stores. I've probably got them by now, but I hadn't at the time. It is serged all the way around. And I like that it's not a huge canvas. It's like 85% black on that 310 black. Very nicely printed. Now this time the stitching does not go into the numbers, but your paper pattern will match your canvas. Let's see how big it is. It is 40.5 that way, and 41.5, or 41 centimeters, or a little over 16. Actual picture size is 34 centimeters, or about 13.5 by 34.5 and 13.5 centimeter. I mean inches. Sorry, inches, centimeters, inches. Jeez, but very nicely printed. Very easy to read or see the symbols. And the key is very easy to read, is what I meant. Nice and darkly printed, and the symbols are real easy to see. Very nice indeed. And it's kind of a stiffer canvas. You know how I told you that the small ones tend to have a stiffer canvas, but I just crunch it up. I crunch this way and that way, and then I go diagonally, and then I go backwards. And it really breaks up this fabric. Very nice indeed. Beautiful. And that is all for this week. Next week we will have some more. So be sure to come back and watch it then. Now, VIP Cross Stitch does have free shipping on orders over $50. I have a 5% off discount code in the description below. They only do stitching type things, you know, like punch needle, embroidery, cross stitch. Sometimes they have beaded cross stitch, but they do not have diamond paintings or paint by number. So do check them out. Thank you, VIP Cross Stitch, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.